Watering tomato plants properly is crucial for their growth and productivity. Appears a guide on how to water tomato plants effectively. Eat water at the base. When watering tomato plants, aim to water directly at the base of the plant, rather than overhead. Is a watering can. Pose with a gentle nozzle or drip irrigation system to deliver water to the soil around the plant's roots. Avoid wetting the foliage, as the skin increase the risk of diseases such as blight. Water consistently. Tomatoes prefer consistently moist soil, so it's essential to water them regularly, especially during dry periods. And to water deeply, ensuring that the soil is even and moist, but not waterlogged. Shallow watering can lead to shallow root growth and make the plants more susceptible to stress and disease. Water in the morning. It's best to water tomato plants in the morning, ideally before the heat of the day. Watering in the morning allows the plants to take up moisture before the sun evaporates it, reducing the risk of water stress during the hottest part of the day. Have wide watering in the evening, as damp foliage overnight can promote fungal diseases. Monitor soil moisture. Keep an eye on the soil moisture level around your alternative plants. Stick your finger into the soil near the base of the plants to test for moisture. If the soil feels dried to the touch, it's time to water. If it's still moist, hold off on watering until the soil dries out slightly. Mulch. Applying a layer of organic mulch such as straw, shredded leaves, or compost around the base of your tomato plants can help retain soil moisture, regulate soil temperature, and suppress sweet growth. Mulch also helps prevent water evaporation from the soil surface, reducing the need for frequent watering. Adjusts watering frequency. Adjust your watering frequency based on weather conditions in the specific needs of your tomato plants. During periods of hot, drier weather, you may need to water more frequently to keep the soil consistently moist. Conversely, during cooler or rainy periods, you may need to water less often to prevent overwatering. Avoid overwatering while it's essential to keep tomato plants adequately watered. It's equally important not to overwater them. However, watering can lead to regret, nurturing leaching, and other problems. Allow the soil to dry out slightly between waterings to prevent waterlogged conditions. By following these tips and watering your tomato plants properly, you can help them thrive and produce a bountiful harvest of delicious, healthy tomatoes. Remember to observe your plants regularly and adjust your watering practices as needed based on their growth and the prevailing weather conditions.